It's Prime Day, and you can find Amazon Prime Day details at the link in the description or top comment down below. It'll take you directly to the Prime Day page. Everything on this page is Prime Day deals. Now, you can search through all of these items, search by categories. You can even filter on the left-hand side. But one of the best ways to find Prime Day deals is, if you know what you're looking for, to go into the search at the top. So I'm going to search for, let's say, iPhone cases, and I want to find a Prime Day deal on iPhone cases. So I'll click on that search Amazon area, and we'll start typing in iPhone cases, hit return or enter, and it's going to give you these search results for iPhone cases. Now you're going to see Prime Day deals in red here, but you can actually filter all your search results to only see Prime Day deals with the Prime Day deals filter in the upper left right here. So you click on that and you are only going to see Prime Day deals as you scroll down here. So all these iPhone cases are all Prime Day. Every single one, you see all these red squares. And then on the left-hand side, you can still filter through other search results. You can even then go sort by, and sort by, maybe I want the average customer review. I want Prime Day deals and the best reviewed case. So I click on that, and it's going to show me all of that here. And so of course, that's not even a case right there, but as we scroll down, we see more cases, all on Prime Day deals. And that is how you can get Prime Day deals here on Amazon. So that's my favorite way to do it. When I know specifically I want to look for something, I filter for Prime Day deals, or you can go to the Prime Day deals page and just see all the different products and kind of browse through categories to find deals here on Amazon Prime Day. So if you're looking for something, just click the link in the description to go to that Prime Days page and check out all of the Prime Day deals this year.